Oh, the consultant is not going to be here tomorrow? Does it mean we have to postpone? Oh, okay, so it's doable, we can do it. Number 7, about usage of the phone in project meetings or generally in meetings. People tend to say, no, forbid it. I'm not so restrictive. There are times when it's important. There are certain informations that are really important and that need to be read or acted upon. I have the example where within one project I was waiting for an answer from the supplier. I was waiting the call, and in the middle of the meeting the call came, so I saw who it was. I left the room, got my call, went back into the room, and this influenced the continuation of the meeting because there were relevant informations about things we were discussing that the external supplier could provide. So what I want to say is, if in the case of your project or in that meeting or in this situation the call is important, let's take it. There are other cases, of course, when you see people in meeting going through social networks, you might think, well, they are maybe not interested or not involved enough in the project. So, I mean, it's up, it's open, but a good usage of the mobile phone surely can help in any project. So I let you with all those thoughts. What I know is that habits aren't easy to be changed. So these are just ideas. You can comment or anytime put me your comment or other subjects you would like me to talk about. So till then, have a good time, and I leave you with wonderful Berlin behind me, and I wish you a good time, and I tell you bye-bye. See you.